AI tools used to be all about one thing: speed. Get your video done fast, generate it in minutes, upload and move on. But let's be real, speed means nothing if your videos don't connect. That's why we started exploring something new. Tools that don't just make content faster, they make it beautiful. And two of the most exciting tools leading that shift are FlexClip and Higsfield AI. Today, we're diving deep into how these two tools are changing the game for creators, editors, and virtual assistants, especially if you're building a faceless YouTube channel like us. Because once you learn how to use these, your videos won't just look better, they'll feel cinematic. When we first started the digital Delegator channel, our main goal was consistency. We wanted to upload every week, no matter what. So we focused on the basics, writing scripts with ChatGPT, using InVideo for visuals, editing in CapCut, and creating thumbnails in Canva. It worked. We grew our channel fast. But after hitting our first 1,000 subscribers, we realized something important. We didn't just want efficiency, we wanted artistry. We wanted to create videos that didn't look AI generated. We wanted emotion, depth, style. That's when we discovered FlexClip and Higsfield AI. So let's start with this. If you've never heard of FlexClip before, think of it like your creative command center. It's an all-in-one AI video creation studio that makes storytelling simple. No timeline clutter, no confusing menus, just drag, drop, and let the AI help you build cinematic sequences. And then there's Higsfield AI, the tool that takes video creation to the next level. It lets you generate human-like AI characters, stunning environments, and realistic movements that make your stories come alive. One tool handles your storytelling, the other brings your story to life. Let's start with FlexClip because this platform has surprised us the most. We used it for the first time this week, and the results looked like something you'd pay a full editing team for. Here's what stood out: cinematic templates. FlexClip gives you access to thousands of fully customizable video templates, from YouTube intros to documentary-style videos. You can switch scenes, tweak animations, and adjust lighting tones in seconds. AI voiceover plus sound effects library. Inside FlexClip, you can generate realistic voiceovers without leaving the platform. You can also add ambient background music, cinematic sound effects, and seamless audio transitions, all in one dashboard. AI Auto Match. This feature automatically syncs your clips, captions, and transitions to your voiceover. That means no more dragging audio to line up perfectly. It does it for you. Scene animation and text effects. What I love most, every scene moves. You can add depth, transitions, and text motion that feel professional without touching a complicated timeline. In short, FlexClip doesn't just help you edit, it helps you direct. You can literally build an entire video, script to render in under an hour, and it looks like it took all day. Now, let's talk about Higsfield AI. If FlexClip is your creative editing room, Higsfield is your imagination factory. This is where the wow factor comes in. Higsfield uses AI-generated humans that look and move like real people, without any uncanny weirdness or robotic motion. You can create characters, scenes, and emotions that make storytelling come alive. Here's what makes Higsfield stand out: AI-generated characters that feel real. You can choose characters of any age, style, or background. They can act, emote, and even respond naturally to dialogue, making your stories feel cinematic. Cinematic environments. Describe your scene, like a candlelit cafe in Paris, or a post-apocalyptic city at sunset. In seconds, Higsfield builds the environment for you, with lighting, depth, and texture that look like real film. Emotion control. This one's powerful. You can actually direct emotions. Make a character look curious, afraid, happy, or intense. The AI adjusts the lighting and movement to match that emotion perfectly. Film quality depth and shadows. Unlike most AI tools, Higsfield doesn't look flat. Its shadows and light are layered, giving every frame a real cinematic feel. The result? Your story feels alive, not like a slideshow of stock footage, but like a short film you'd want to re-watch. Now, here's where things really get interesting. Because when you combine Higsfield and FlexClip, you get a full production pipeline without ever touching a camera. Here's the workflow we use. Use ChatGPT to write the script. Generate visuals and characters in Higsfield. Import everything into FlexClip. Add AI voiceovers, music, transitions, and text overlays. Export in 4K and upload straight to YouTube. In just a few hours, you can create something that feels like a professional documentary or cinematic story. It's the perfect balance between automation and artistry. We tried this process with a short story video, and the results shocked us. The visuals looked like they were shot on a high-end camera, but it was 100% AI generated. The voiceover synced perfectly, the transitions felt smooth, and the whole thing looked real. This is what makes these tools beautiful, not just because they're AI, but because they let your creativity shine. The era of lazy AI videos is over. We're stepping into an age where AI tools help you make cinematic art. FlexClip gives you the structure and direction, like a digital film editor. Higsfield gives you the imagination and realism, like a digital film crew. And together, they let creators like us, even with small teams, produce content that feels big. You don't need Hollywood, you just need the right tools and the right systems. If this video inspired you, hit like so more creators can discover these tools. Comment below, which tool impressed you more? FlexClip's cinematic storytelling or Higgsfield's realistic visuals? And if you want to see how we use these tools step by step in action, check out our playlist, all digital Delegator videos. Subscribe, because every Monday we share new AI tools and strategies to help you automate, delegate, and create beautifully. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.